So this is my altar in my first floor. So as you can see, my Fatima statue is already changed the color. Yeah, because this one is from Israel. Mostly everything is from Israel. This one is from Israel too. And that one you can see it's supposed to be green and luminous, like the rosary. And then now it changed because I don't know, maybe because in the Loran in long time, it's because it's many years I think, because I was in Israel 1995, so I think that's the reason it changed the color. That's why the other one that I have a new one, I want to wrap it with plastic so it will not change the color. And as you can see, I arranged bunch of orchids flower there. It also was. And this one, my batchmate Edith gave me during our reunion last December, so I dried it. I just let it like that. Then it's beautiful because the arrangement is so beautiful. That's why I want to keep it. And this is it, guys. And then also, this is my sanctuary. Every time that I have padasal during All Souls Day. So this is it. And that one, my favorite guy, Ryan Castro, made me a candle house that's supposed to be bring to the cemetery. I ordered two, one for my sister and one for my mom and daughter in grave. But the thing is, they are afraid that they will it will be lost, so they don't want to bring it there. So what I did is I told them to put under the altar. So guys, I'm showing this is my altar. Thank you guys.